Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Pinterest in 2025. So whether you are using Pinterest for ideas, inspiration or growing your brand, this tutorial is going to help you understand the basics. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to download and install the Pinterest application in your device. Then in order to create your account, you just have to use your email address or your Google account or your Facebook account. So it is going to ask you to select your interest. So you just have to select the interest, and then it is going to show you this type of Pinterest interface in front of you. On the home feed, you are going to see all of the pins based on the interests that you have selected previously. Now a pin is basically an image or a video or the idea that is saved by someone. Now when you tap on it, you can just simply take a look at the photo. On the home feed, you can scroll for the inspiration. You can tap on the pins to view the details. Then you can tap on the option of save in order to save that pin on your board. Now Pinterest learns what you like, so it is keep on showing you the ideas over time. Now in order to organize your ideas, when you tap on any of the pin over here on the Pinterest, you are going to see the save option in the bottom right hand corner. When you tap on the option of save, it is going to show you some of the default boards, but you can also click on the option of create board. Then you can give your board a name. For example, this particular photo is relating to Mahadev, so I can give my Pinterest a name as Mahadev. After that, click on the option of create on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then when I look for some of the other pins which are relating to this particular theme, I can tap on it and I can just tap on the save option. Then instead of creating the other board, I can add the same photograph in the Mahadev's board which I have selected. So this way I can basically organize all of my pins. You can also come back here on the home page. Then you can tap on the option of the search icon and you can look for the ideas with the help of the search bar here on the top. By clicking on this plus icon, you can create your own pins, collage or board. Then we have the option of messages. So in the inbox, you will see all of the messages that is sent to you by the people. Then we have the profile icon. When you tap on it, you will see all of the pins that you have added successfully, all of the boards and all of the collages which you have saved. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.